more be like a going home kind of rain, like afternoon showers. So in the morning when everyone's first starting to go to school, it'll be nice conditions. It'll be warm and muggy, but at least it won't be raining.
But not so nice conditions outside right now.
Yes, not right now, at least for some of the viewing areas. Some of us are still seeing a lot of that rain, mostly in our eastern counties, focusing right around Valdosta, Live Oak, Lake City. And now we're going to zoom in a little bit, take a little bit of a tour. We're seeing some showers more heading towards Barney and just north of Quitman, and a lot along the I-75 corridor near Valdosta. So if you are traveling home, make sure to be careful of that. And now we're going to take a look at Lake City. We are seeing some storms there around US 41, and even out towards Live Oak, starting to see some rain right along US 129 as well. And even making our way into Perry is starting to see a lot of storms, and some more storms along US 19 are starting to head towards there. So make sure you are being careful. Try not to go outside if the rain gets too heavy. And that is all the rain that is going on right now, and it's going to be continuing to fizzle out into the overnight hours. Our temperatures right now, though, 86 in Tallahassee. Where the rain is, we are seeing those cooler temperatures. So out in Valdosta and Live Oak, we are seeing the mid and upper 70s. So that is a nice little break from the heat. But our dew points, which indicate how much moisture is in the air right now, is pretty on the muggy side in the 70s. So the heat index is how it actually feels outside, and it feels a little bit warmer than the actual temperatures. It feels like 95 in Tallahassee, 89 down in Perry. And our satellite and radar is showing big swath of clouds and rain just coming up from the Gulf, getting a real southerly influence today and tomorrow as well. And this high pressure system is kind of ridged right over near Georgia right now, and that's just going to be funneling in those winds from the south. So that's going to be causing stormy conditions and warm conditions as well. So tonight we are expected to see some of that rain still, and then as we make our way into Monday, first day of school, we are going to be seeing a little bit of an unsettled pattern when it comes to the sea breeze and the storms. So we are going to be seeing more sea breeze storms, which is more in the afternoon. So around 7 a.m. taking the kids to school, partly cloudy conditions, a couple of storms along the coast are possible, and making our way into 1 a.m. around the lunch hours, some more clouds and some more storms to talk about. But by 8 p.m. and by 5 p.m. when you're picking the kids up and traveling home from school, that's when the storms are going to be very prevalent. And it's going to be the same story for Tuesday as well. A lot of afternoon storms once again. Now Tropics Watch, we do have a system that the National Hurricane Center has talked about. 60% chance of this low pressure system forming over the next 5 days. So by midweek, we could have a new tropical depression to talk about. Tonight, though, it is going to be a little bit on the rainy side. 74 is going to be humid. Tomorrow, it's going to be hot and warm and rainy once again, scattered storms, below average temperatures. And now let's take a look at our school day forecast. We are going to be seeing drop off. It's going to be muggy conditions in the mid 70s. Lunch, there's going to be some scattered rain, and going home, that's when we're going to see the storms. So make sure to have those umbrellas handy because you do not want to be stuck in the rain. For beach and boating, rain is likely mostly in the afternoon. Seas are going to be 1 to 2 feet, and the UV index is going to be high. All right, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. More rain is in the future, but on the flip side of that, the temperatures are going to be on the cooler side. These lower 90s are actually below average for this time of the year. So the rain is keeping the temperatures cooler, but it looks like by the weekend, the rain chances are going to be coming back a little bit, and then we'll be higher temperatures once again.
So no umbrellas when they're taking the kids to the bus stops, but definitely pack the raincoat with them.
Yes, definitely have the raincoat with them. You don't want to be waiting out to go home in the rain without a raincoat.
All right, thanks, Melanie. Well, we're going to go ahead and toss it over to Ron Snyder with what's the look ahead in sports.